My wife said we got some followers, but we still need more followers. So here I am doing this shit. The baked ziti with mini rigatonis. Pasta's my downfall, bro. It's my favorite. Look at that. Oh my god. You go to an Italian restaurant, you're paying like $35, $40 for this kind of plate. My wife goes to the supermarket and makes this for like under $10. And she definitely makes it better than the restaurant too. Mm. The drip of the cheese. That's where it's at. You know it's gonna be a good bite when the drip's like that. That was the bite. That was it. But I hate when you fight with your food. I mean, you're just trying to get the food on the fork, but then that motherfucker don't want to get on there. That shit's annoying. Oh, oh no, come back. Come back. Got you. Got you. You want to get away from me? You want to get away from me? Mm. That was a bite too. Wasn't better than the first one, but it was definitely a bite. Bang. Clean plate. So good. We out.